Let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3. Run and catch them all with me. Who's ready to play a game?
We are! Yay! Hey little friends, come count with me. Nice and slow, easy as can be. Let's count from 1 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little numbers, easy to say. Let's count them slowly, day by day. Count with me, nice and slow, learning numbers as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting helps our minds feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little numbers, soft and bright. Count them slowly, hold them tight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, friends, let's count again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Slow and steady, take your time. Counting numbers in a line. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 numbers, oh what fun! Look at all the counting we've done. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 numbers, you counted them all. Big numbers too, and some so small. Count with me, nice and slow. Look how far your numbers go. 1 through 25 today. You learned them all. Hip, hip, hooray! 1, 2, 25. You did great. High five! Let's count again another day.
For now, my friends.
For
Hip,
now,
hip, hooray!
my friends. Hip, hip, hooray!
Goodbye, everyone. We had so much fun today. See you next time.